losing your natural glow. Fine lines, dullness, and loss of firmness happen over time. Restore your skin using your body's own power. Skin Place PRP Revive, the natural youth fountain, harnessing highly concentrated growth factors from your own plasma. Deep cellular repair triggers rapid collagen and elastin production, smooths out wrinkles and repairs uneven skin texture. Natural rejuvenation brightens dark circles and restores healthy volume. Long-lasting, organic results with zero synthetic chemicals. PRP Revive treatment. Unlock your natural youth. Send us a message to book your consultation today.